In this tutorial, we will initially write and convert some text to geometric entities. We can make milling toolpaths using geometric entities in SolidCNC. First, we will make simple contour paths that walk on these curve entities. After that, we will make dimensional area cleaning paths that will engrave inside the text curve boundary. Make text by menu command path insert text. Explode text to curve elements by menu command path edit, explode text to curves. Add cutting operations by using contour 2D dialog. Form single paths that follow boundary curves that do not have any cutter diameter compensation. Form area cleaning paths that raster the area inside boundary curves.